We are the Jhas. We moved to Kalpataru Towers about a couple of months back, and I think as a couple we are extremely happy. Primarily because when we had come back from the US, we were looking at something that would be excellent for our son who just turned 3.
In fact, we were very apprehensive when we were hunting for a house, and we had seen over about 100 houses before we actually zeroed down on Kalpataru.
This project in Kandivali gave us everything. It gave us a lot of reasons to go ahead and pick up an apartment. I think there's a lot in terms of amenities that this project has, right from a very expansive garden to the clubhouse to a lot of place and play area for children.
The best about this house is the master bedroom view, which we really loved, and I guess that was one, I may call it the USP of this place, which we loved so much because we get an entire view of the Western Express Highway, which is I guess the north as well as the south side, which is extremely good. The kitchen is very spacious. It is much bigger than what I expected. With 2 platforms, I mean, you get to work around really well.
Yeah, I think there are a lot of things that are, firsts when it comes to the project or when it comes to the builder. The ceiling height for one. I mean, if you have not lived here, if you have been abroad, if you're coming back, these are things that sort of often, make a decision. They help, you in making a decision. We saw a drying space. We saw a separate space where we could keep our maybe washing machine and dishwasher, etc. So all of these were actually winning points and decision-making points.
In fact, small little things have been taken care of out here. Things like, the garbage disposal. Things like giving out garbage bags, which is something which I have not seen anywhere. That's something, you have the electrician on call, you have the plumber on call.
Yeah.
We had experienced a few minor niches, problems in our house, which was taken care of immediately. If you want to do something, electricians are available on the call 24/7. You have a plumber on call. I mean, the guard is so friendly. Everything is like to the mark.
Extremely happy with the entire project. I think, with a brand like Kalpataru, the kind of dealings that you get with the builder and the builder's office, it's a one-stop shop, it's a single window clearance. I think we've had a lot of good experience when we dealt with Kalpataru. I did not have to run around for any papers, any documents. I did not have to run around asking what was happening with my money. I did not have to run around asking what was going on. I did not have to run around asking when I would be getting the possession. It was all done on the call. I think I made maybe 1 or 2 visits, and that was all that I had to do. We are extremely happy, delighted to be here. When you walk into this entire project, into this building, there's a sense of pride that you get. There's a lot of excitement that you see. The kind of people that you meet up with are the people whom you would like to be with. Excellent services. So overall, I think we are extremely satisfied.
Very happy.
I would recommend, this entire project, the brand, the builder to anybody, especially people who are looking at quality of life. Well, I think it's been an excellent investment. Yes, Kalpataru does give you value for money. You pay a little more when you move into a Kalpataru, but I think it's all worth the money that you spend. In a place like Bombay, where every project now is getting expensive by the day, I mean, it's a misnomer to say that you can go ahead and buy an apartment just because you want to buy an apartment in Bombay. Bombay is expensive when it comes to real estate. This is a builder that gives you the confidence that whatever you are spending is worth the money. So we are extremely delighted to be here. In a mad city like Bombay, I think this is the best that you can get.